Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Mobirise website builder. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Mobirise, it is a free, offline website builder designed for users who prefer a simple, block-based approach to web design. Unlike many cloud-based builders, Mobirise is a downloadable application, which means you can work on your website without an internet connection. This platform is ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and nonprofits who want to create a basic website quickly without diving into complex coding or design processes. Mobirise shines when it comes to simplicity and ease of use. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, allowing you to build your site by stacking blocks pre-designed sections like headers, galleries, and footers on top of each other. It's a great solution for beginners who want to create a responsive website with minimal effort. Another advantage is that Mobirise is free to download and use, though additional features and templates can be purchased through the Mobirise store. However, Mobirise does come with some limitations. First, while the block-based design is easy to use, it can also be restrictive. Customization options are limited, and you might find it challenging to create a unique look beyond what's offered in the standard blocks. Additionally, because it's an offline builder, you'll need to arrange your hosting and domains separately. This can add complexity if you're not familiar with those processes. The free version also has a Mobirise watermark on published sites, which you'll need to upgrade to remove. In comparison to other website builders, Mobirise is ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and need a simple, functional website without the hassle of a steep learning curve. It's particularly well-suited for non-tech-savvy users and those who prefer working offline. However, if you're looking for more design flexibility or integrated hosting, you may want to explore other website builders. For instance, cloud-based builders often offer more advanced features, such as integrated hosting options, more customization tools, and better support for complex designs. In conclusion, Mobirise website builder is ideal for users who prioritize ease of use and need a simple, functional website without the hassle of a steep learning curve. It's particularly well-suited for non-tech-savvy users and those who prefer working offline. So that's basically all about Mobirise website builder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.